Meaning of giga.
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 Giga. Giga- is a prefix used in the International System of Units, SI, to represent a factor of 1 billion, 10 to the power of 9. It is derived from the Greek word gigas, meaning giant. This prefix is commonly used in the realm of technology and computing to denote extremely large quantities of data or processing power. For example, a gigabyte, GB, represents 1 billion bytes of information storage, and a gigahertz, represents 1 billion cycles per second of processing speed. Overall, giga- is an important prefix in modern language for representing enormous quantities or magnitudes.